Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a haul and I'm calling this the Essentials haul. So I did pick up a couple of things that I've been just wanting to build in my stash, and let's get started. So I did get this through scrapbook.com, and I guess you know how they have free promotions. They were gifting, or it was part of the haul if you spend a certain amount, or was it just free? And I thought these were so cute. I don't get to play with a lot of doodlebug, but this would be like fun to just gift, or yeah, gift, because I'm sure crafty friends would love this. So I got that, and then I have been playing with just layering flowers. I've just had a whole bunch in my stash. So I've been just kind of pulling, again, I've been doing this like paper piecing thing. Just paper piecing, and just using my scraps, trying to do a little bit of these like flowers that I bought like ages ago. And I just haven't been like, crafting with. And I've been just kind of inspired and saving pictures to make potential cards, I don't know, embellishments. So scrapbook.com was having a sale on these cardstocks, and they are 85 pounds. I love. I'm going to show you the memory box one, because this is a 110 pound cardstock, and it comes in all these different shades. But the rose color, or the red one, I've been sitting on for so long, so I wasn't able to find it. So I settled on getting something like this, and I thought this was nice to have, just so, especially with these like layered flowers, it's all about the color building, because it's just easier if you have similar cardstocks, just kind of build up. So yeah, I'm using my scraps, but I thought this would be also kind of nice to have in my stash to kind of create these kind of dimensional flowers in an easier way. So I got the roses, and then I saw the sherbet, and it just kind of like instantly reminded me of summer. And it's nice to have just kind of different kind of cardstocks. I love this one too. I'm just going to peel the plastics because I hate this plastic thing. This is the floral. So I thought this was great. It's even for the leaf parts, because look, you get, let me see, you got four different greens. So you can layer that, and then you can work the front with just the flowers. So this is a great little stash. And then I picked up, I think I picked up this from scrapbook.com. Yeah. So I have been wanting a new foam, again, just to kind of build up my essentials. I have a foam, but it's not like super hard like this. This thing is so dense, and I think it'll be great to mold flowers. I'm trying to be, some people are so naturally good at it, but I thought this was, I have like styling tools like this, but this is nice. This feels nice. It feels expensive. So it's nice to have tools. I'm never against having tools, but I really bought it for this dense, super dense molding pad. And it comes with a nice pair of tweezers, fine tip tweezers. These are nice. So again, you can't go wrong with Tim Holtz tools, and I really bought it for the pad. This was fairly inexpensive, and obviously it's going to be such good quality because it's Sizzix and Tim Holtz. And then I think all of this is like cherry on top, and then some AliExpress. So I picked up another one of these standouts. I don't know why I buy these. They're so expensive, but man, I think this one had me like, just wow, it's just so pretty, and I want to use it as inspo. And again, just like the layering and the acetate in this, I thought was really just quite lovely. And I picked up another pack. But this, back to the essentials. So I don't know if you know this, but I'm a lover of the basil cardstock. I love basil. I think basil is superior when it comes to 110 pound cardstock, and I think the 12 by 12s, they're just so good to have. So I noticed I didn't have a lot of blue, So I picked up these, and this is the card shop, Basil Card Shop 100-pound cardstock, and I got this in icy mint, and I got this in candy pearls. I figured with the new Woodland Grove, the blues would be nice to have in the stash, and I just picked up a couple. I think 4 of each. They're so thick, you guys. You hear that? So again, good for like 3D projects, larger projects. They're just, for me, 12 by 12s are always a must-have. And then I got the 8.5 by 11, and this is again the same thing, Card Shop, Basil Card Shop, but they are the 100. I think these are 110-pound weight, and they are a pack of 25. So this is such a great deal, and I love 110. I think they're just the perfect base for all my embellishments. So this is the sour lemon, and then I also got the cotton candy. I actually love the 12 by 12 in this color as well. So this was the perfect addition to the stash. And then let me just see. I think everything else. Oh, I did get this Pink Fresh Studios rosettes. This comes with a cool kind of what is that called, stencil, and I just want to show you. Sorry, I had to walk away from my desk. Kind of what I did with it. I just tested it out. So you cut it out and then you use your inks. And for me, I have a lot of Tim Holtz, like, what do you call those inks? And I don't even know the names, and I never get to use them. So I thought this was the great way of incorporating paper and mixed media. And I first saw it on Gina's channel, Scrapinology. She made me buy it, and I love it. I think it's so cool. It added such a dimension, and it'll be fun to make embellishments with these. So it comes with, you have to buy the die and the stencils, and then I bought this layered banner. I forget who makes this. I just kind of combined it in the packaging because I got it in the same haul. It has a little fishtail tanners, and it was just so cute. So I cannot wait to create with this. And these are like kind of like the offsetting. You get it 2 different sides, so you get it all sides covered. Again, so cool. And I think honestly they're like super unique because I've never really played with anything like this before. And you guys, I bought the ultimate bucket list item for myself. I've been wanting this gumball die, this big gumball die, for years. And I first played with it at my friend Wandy Sweet's house, and she had let me play with this, and I'm like, oh man, I would love to own this for myself. And of course, whenever I look on eBay, it's like such a ridiculous price. And I was in a little bidding war, but I bought this for under $25, I think, before shipping. I won the auction under $25, which is a steal, you guys. So I'm really over the moon. It comes with the embossing folder. I'm so happy I bought this. Next up, I got this little mini distressed oxide spray, and it's the picked raspberry. Again, I love sprays. They're so easy for a person like me, super lazy. Get my box, boom, 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 spray, and you add dimension. So perfect for all projects. And then I have, I bought this because I saw whose video? I can't remember now, but I bought this a while ago, and she'd used this for embellishments. Oh, Karina Crafts. Sorry. So she used this for embellishments, and I was like, oh, girl, where are we going to find this? I found this on Amazon, and I love all the little things that you have, like the tickets, the corners, mini envelope, the little dial. You got a whole bunch of labels, mini tickets, little binder sheets right here, a little tag, some arrows. I thought it had a lot of cute little dies in here, and here's like the little inspo pick. And yeah, it was really fairly inexpensive, so of course I had to pick this up. And I've been wanting this for a while, and this is my little alley haul. I bought the KS Craft, I don't know what it's called, book, but I put book, KS Craft book. I wanted the Stamp Market one, but I realized the stamp market one was really large, and I just didn't really feel like creating super big embellishments. So I thought the sizing on this was pretty nice. Let me just see what this dimensions are for the biggest one. Yeah, it's about 3 by 2.5, and I can't wait to make embellishments with this. I thought it'll be really sweet, and you can use a lot of collections with this, so I thought this would be a versatile die. And then next up, I saw someone on Instagram, they had created these awesome wire wrap beads, and I got the tulips. This is the leaves for it. So you kind of make the wire wrap with like the little tulip. Oh my god, look how cute that is. Yes. So I did pick it up in the like more of a rosy color and then the light pink. Let's see that. I may want to pick up more colors, but girl, I got to start making before I buy more. So I thought that this was a good start, and yeah, I love it. And then, sorry, next up, this is the last thing I have on my little haul. I love this foam for when I make shakers, and this foam is from Frank Garcia. I think this is a 3mm foam. So when Tony was asking me how I make my shakers, Michelle, who's Paper Dreams and Things, had said she bought her foam from AliExpress. Now she is a super talented crafter. Yeah, and I can already see that this is not going to be quite the depth that I like. I like my shakers to be thick, and I'll show you. 1 second. I've been playing with dies that I had in my stash that I haven't been making, so you could see how thick this foam is, like so chunky. And when I make my shakers, my pet peeve is when it gets like stuck, and or if I put a lot of sequins in it, it's not shaking because it's so like tight, you know. Like this chubby foam, you have no problems. You could stuff this up, and there's so much like depth into this, right? So I did buy this foam because Michelle had said that she really liked it, and this is the Alina Cuddle one. So I can already tell that this is not nearly as thick. You would probably have to double this up to get this kind of thickness from the Frank Garcia foam, and I'll link them down below. I don't know if I like this foam, but I will test it out. They come in a 5-pack, which I thought was really kind of nice. And you know, of course, this foam from Frank Garcia is not expensive, but it's not the cheapest. And you know, I honestly, I don't think I've found foam quite like this. I think this is probably one of the best foam sheets I've used for shakers. It's been really kind of making my shaker game like on par, like up top of my top of my game with my shakers. And I really love this foam. But I did buy the black, the pink, and the white, and I will be testing these out, and I'll let you know if I prefer this or this. But I can already tell that nothing compares to this thickness. And I do have to say that when I'm cutting this foam in my Sizzix Big Shot, I don't have the fancy, what do you call it, the electronic ones. I'm a believer of like, if it's not broken, don't replace it. So I still have the good old cranker, and she's so thick that you do have to kind of help her out, but I don't mind that because I get the perfect results every time. So I'll compare the two and come back and report back to you, you know, which one if I could still use this. I mean, it is a cheaper option, and to be honest, you're always looking for some hacks. But that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my little essentials haul, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.